morning, Chef George, owner of the company Events by Your Catering. Today let's cook eggplant parmesan, delicious and healthy recipe. Ingredients for the eggplant parmesan. We using flour, red crushed pepper, salt, marinara sauce, shredded pecorino romano, fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, and eggplant. We put the eggplant, we remove this side and this side too. And let's cut in slice. Let's remove this. Let's cut like that. We put like this in layers over paper towels because we need to eliminate the water excess for the eggplant, and we put salt, Himalayan salt. We cover with another paper towel on top to eliminate the water excess, like this. We cover the eggplant for at least 1 hour to remove the water excess for the eggplant. After 1 hour, look, the paper towel, how wet it is, because the water excess from the eggplant now is out. Let's remove this. We put the eggplant slice in flour a little bit before frying with olive oil. We put 2 spoons of olive oil and start when the oil is hot. Medium high is okay. You start to fry the eggplants for both sides a little bit. When you have ready for both sides, reserve outside. We start to put in the oven tray little marinara sauce. Continues with eggplant for all surface. We continue with fresh mozzarella. For every single pieces, we put all mozzarella for this. Fresh basil for everywhere. Again, marinara sauce for all of this. Gray parmesan. Now, gray parmesan. And we repeat the same process for every. Again, eggplant, everything again. Eggplant again. Let's do it. Eggplant. We continues with mozzarella, fresh mozzarella for everywhere. Until the end. We repeat the same process at the beginning. It's everything the same. Fresh basil too. Again, it's the same process. We add at the end a little bell pepper and red crush peppers. We finish with the parmesan, grape parmesan cheese. And it's ready for the oven. We put in the oven, we set in the oven 20 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit, look how beautiful. This is the final result for the eggplant parmesan. Many people put breadcrumbs and eggs in the preparation. I never use that. You know, I prefer light like this. It's very delicious. It's not too bad to make it. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share. Your comments are very important always. Remember that every day we put a new recipe in our YouTube channel, and please contact us because we make any kind of event, any kind of food. Thank you so much.